Hello everybody, it's Jen and I am here with an ASC design team haul, and I wanted to get this out because I may be gone for just a little while, but yeah, we'll see. I have some videos stored up, so hopefully you won't miss me. So I have my haul and lovely coordinating pen colors. Isn't that nice? I love it, and these pens are awesome. I got this Tempera decorative snowflakes. I thought that would be cool for my December daily when I get going on that a little bit more. I got the Mente art journaling stickers in white and black. These are nice big text, if you could see. And then the Rust and Rose paper sticker elements and the paper sticker words. So these are nice and big. The actual titles, I'm going to call them, because they're a little bit bigger. And they're almost like a vinyl. They're very, they're matte, but they're smooth. And the reason why I got the entire collection, and I've been looking at it because obviously it's a fall collection, but because of the fox. I had to get it because of the fox, because he's so freaking cute. So I got the 6x8, the 8x8, the 12x12. I'm not going to go through the 12x12 because essentially it's the same as the 8x8. I'm going to do a quick flip of the 6x8 so you guys can get a good idea, but look how pretty it is. We have some wood, grain, leaves, lace, beautiful oranges, pinks, reds. Tim Holtz just came out with a pink, red, and orange palette, and I don't need it, but I almost got it, but I think this may suffice me. Okay, so the 8x8 has the cut aparts on the back of the cover, which is wonderful because we don't want to waste anything. This beautiful, like, front door. We have a stripe on the top, and there's the little fox in the window. A nice gingham or plaid. There's the front gate. I love this little orange diamond. It's almost a diamond, just pattern. And then a nice pink and red rust wreath. Some wood grain and like a pinkish orange. Perfect. We have some 4x6-ish cut up, or I'm sorry, 3x4-ish cut aparts, and some 2x3s, which is nice. I like the 2x3s, and then like a sweater. This looks like a knit pattern. I guess that one's bigger. It's like a 4x6, 2x3, or 3x4s, and 4 2x3s. That's a nice little selection. And then this pink, and I think, now we're back to the beginning. No, that's a different house. No, that's the same house. Okay. So that's it. You get 3 of each, right? 24, 4 designs, 12 each. Did I go through them twice? There's 12 designs, 4 each. Front and back. Got you. So 6 different papers. I like it. I like it. So I'm not going to go through the 12x12 like I said. I'm going to stack this aside. I love the pumpkins. And then we'll go through the elements. We'll go through some of the elements. These are the paper die cuts. And then I have the paper elements. So there's 2 different kinds. There's a bunch of these. So we got bows, and then we've got leaves. We're just going to set those aside. Pine cones, cute pumpkins. I love the colors. Look at him. Isn't he cute? I want a baby fox. Nice. Fall. Cocoa. Some more leaves. Some pink pumpkins. I love the pink pumpkins. Some more of those reds. Pumpkins. An umbrella. We have another bow. an apple. I love the apple colors. Cranberries, it looks like, or something. I don't know what they are. A book with some candles. We can go bookish with this. It's definitely a cozy collection. We have a lot of florals, and then there's a cupcake, pumpkins. Oh, you didn't see this one. We have a kitty. Teapots and florals. Indeed. Books and cupcakes and bows. I think that's going to sum it up. Oh, we got another kitty. Okay, so and then the rest are pumpkins and bows and candles and cupcakes. And then I have the elements, which are a little different. They're bigger. They look like labels and such, so yes, we got labels and folding tag pockets. So these are pockets you can fold up. So that's cool if you don't want to think and like have to cut and fold up your own pockets. Those are cute. With the elements, the designs on them. And then we have some cut labels, these round ones. Hang on, which way does it go? It goes this way. These round ones. There's the front door, so just smaller elements. There's the fox and some flowers and stuff. There's the kitty. He must be in one of the papers. I must have missed him. Another round one. The pumpkins. So these would be good for card fronts. It looks like we have some. There's the kitty and the fox. And the pumpkins. Yeah, so it's just not for fall. You can get it anytime you want. Because that's what I did. We have tags. There we go. Tags, cute. Smaller tag with the cupcake on it. And then we have these labels, which would just be cute to put on like a box or a book or something like that, like fall. And then we have two more tags that I missed. One with the fox and one with the front door. Okay, that's it. That's all I got. I just got one collection and then some extra goodies. So I hope that you have a wonderful week and head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy or ASCCraftSupplies.com. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.